Hey guys, what's up, man? So let me tell y'all about life. Man. So I don't know how this happened. I'm not gonna point no fingers, whatever the case is. I went to DC a few weeks ago, came back to my garage, and all four of my tires on my CL were flat. Like I'm like, what the fuck is this? So I looked into it, and all the tires were messed up, whatever. So there's something called Discount Tire. I've been going to Discount Tire for years. Now, the reason why I'm bringing up Discount Tire is because, like, many people don't opt for the warranty with their tires with Discount Tire, and the warranty is only like, let's just say my tires are like $300, $400 a piece. I think they're like about $350 a piece or something like that. The warranty is like $20 a tire, but the way the warranty works is as long as you have tread on the tire, like a certain amount of tread, no matter what happens to the tire, all you got to do to get the tire replaced is just pay for the warranty. Pay like $20-$25. So I've gone to Discount Tire for years, and I've, in some scenarios, had to buy like one tire, but mostly I'm just getting my tires replaced because I got low profile tires too, so my rims are always busted and all of this. So I would always have to replace my tire, but all I had to do was just pay $25. So the point of this is now I got 4 new tires I'm about to get, and I just got to pay for the warranty, and I'm not coming out of pocket for 4 new tires. I'm just coming out of pocket for the warranty. So the moral of the story is sometimes, guys, it makes sense to put those warranties and those insurance policies in place so when life happens, you don't necessarily got to dish out more cash again. Because would you rather just pay $100 for 4 new tires or $350, $1,400 in this example? I think it's $350 a tire. So $1,400. It makes more sense just to pay the additional $100 when you first get the tires, and then when something happens, you're good to go. You guys, that makes sense? Got to have those emergency funds in place and have those warranties in place.